Dear students, so in this video we are going to discuss about the MySQL setup process. So before going to the actual setup, we will discuss the two important components in the MySQL setup. So that is a MySQL Installer and MySQL Workbench. In a Workbench you may use some other tools also, but as a beginner I will recommend to use the MySQL Workbench. Right. First, what we will do, we will study what is the difference between the MySQL Installer and MySQL Workbench. Right. So what is a MySQL? Is a setup program used to install the MySQL software on Windows. It means that it is a one software which is used to run a program on Windows. Right. So it is like one software. Right. On top of that, so MySQL Workbench will work. Right. It is a graphical application. Simple funda, like MySQL is a software. To use those software, it is required to install any of the graphical application which will support the MySQL installer. So as a beginner I recommend to use the MySQL Workbench. Right. So I hope students are clear major difference between the MySQL and MySQL Workbench. So MySQL is used during the installation, but whereas a Workbench is used to create every database. Right. So this is the purpose is like installing and configuring the SQL. Right. Whereas the Workbench is managing the MySQL databases. I hope students are clear with the MySQL Installer and MySQL Workbench. Right. So now we will see, first we have to install the MySQL Installer, then we have to go for the MySQL Workbench. Right. So first go to the Google and search bar MySQL Installer. Like this you will get a window. Right. So click on download MySQL Installer. You will get like this. You will get like this window open. So you may use download first option or second option, but I will recommend to use the second option. When you click on download button, then you will able to open this kind of window. Right. So just click on no thanks. Just start my download. It indicates that no need to sign in. Just you can start downloading. So later on it will start downloading the software. It will give that is a launch. It will give. So double click on the launcher. It means that it is whatever the software you have installed, you double click on that one. It will ask the permission whether should I install or not. Just click on that one. So next, step number 3, select the default type. That is a default type. Then click on next button. Right. So install the components. Right. Here what we'll do, just click on execute. So click on execute. The installation process will progress. Next, click on next. Step number 5. So configure your SQL. So by default will be there. You don't need to change in step number 5. Just click on next button. So next, step number 6, it is important. So it will ask the root user password. Right. So in this one you have to give any password. Right. That password should be remembered for entire database access. You can choose any password as your own. Right. So after it will ask the password once and it will ask again re-password again. So that both should be match. Right. So next time, so there will be some default options will come. Just click on next button. So it will go to the next page. So next click on execute. Like click on execute button. So then there will be some set of configurations it is going to be executed. Right. So next it will get the finish button. Just click on finish button. So it will installation of MySQL will get complete. So this is the part 1 of MySQL installer installation. Right. So now we will see part 2. So that is the MySQL Workbench. Right. So similarly you type MySQL Workbench 8.0.46 on your search engine, like either maybe Google or whatever you want. Right. So there will be some option like this. Click on first one. Right. You will redirect to the this kind of page. Right. So then click on download button. Right. So after downloading, the software will automatically get installed. Downloading. Start downloading. So step number 2. Right. So this is the automatically it will ask the whether should I install or not. So next welcome screen will come. That is the next installation button. Choose the next again. Right. So next again it ready to install. Just click on install button. Then wait for some time to get installed. So you will get the one button which is the finish button. Just click on that one. So later on you go to the search bar. You type into the MySQL Workbench from the start menu. So it will get open. You can start working on those kind of environment. Right. So if you like my content, please share to your friends and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.